Now I will talk about the types of algebraic expressions. In this, we are having a first is monomial. When you are having a single term, that is called the monomial. Like we have 6x, there is a one term. When there is a multiply sign, so it is considered as the whole as a one term. Minus 7, 1, this is called the one term. If I will say here 10x, y, z, this is also called one term. So where is the one term? They all are called monomial. But you have to take care that the power of the variable part, power should be the whole number. Please take care of it. If the power is the whole number, then I will say this is the monomial. And in that, suppose I will talk about the degree. Degree means whenever you have a monomial, go for the variable part and think what is the power, and the power is 1, so degree is 1. When you go here, power is 1, variable part, power is 1, degree is 1. But what about here? Here are the 3 variables, but the one term only. So what is the degree of this monomial? So I will see that every variable having the power 1, 1 and 1, whatever it is the power, you will add the powers. So 1 plus 1 plus 1, and that is 3. So degree of this monomial is 3. Degree is clear to you? Monomial means very simple, one term only, that is called the monomial. But the power variable must be the whole number or the non-negative integers. Both way you can say. If you are saying non-negative integer, what does it mean? Means positive integer as well as 0. Means natural number or 0. And when you combine 0 and the natural number, what is called? Whole number. So simply using whole number. Or one more name, non-negative integers. So to simple है whole number वही use करो यार. Now come to the next type, binomial. Binomial means, as you know, there is the word bi. You know the bicycle having 2 wheels. So binomial means 2 terms. When you have 7x plus 8y, there are 2 terms, and this is called binomial. And the one more way we can say, the sum of or the difference of 2 terms. Sum of the 2 terms. I can say better, sum of the 2 monomial. You know, monomials na? Monomial, sum, monomial, difference. So I can say the sum or the difference of the 2 monomials is called binomial. And very simple, the expression having a 2 terms is called binomial. And if I will ask you what is the degree, then you say every term you go and think what is the variable part x and what is the power 1. Then another term, what is the power variable 1. So which is the maximum? Both are same. So the degree is 1. Don't add it because there is a plus sign. When the multiply sign is there, you remember here x, y, z. There is a multiply sign, then only we were adding. But here the terms are there. And think of here, like suppose I will write here 7x square y plus 8ab in this. Or you can say in place of ab, uv, whatever you can use the letters. So there are the two terms binomial, and I'm interested in degree. What is the degree of the binomial? So I will go for each term first and find out the degree of each term, and which is the highest degree, that degree is called the degree of the binomial. Like, see what I am saying. Go for the first term and I am seeing what is the degree, and I told you how to get the degree. Variable parts, power, you can add. So 2 plus 1, that is 3. And in the second term, variable having the power 1, 1 added, that is 2. So which is the highest degree? 3. So 3 is called the degree of this whole binomial. And think about the next type, that is trinomial. This is also sums or the differences of the three monomials. Three monomials means when the expression having a three terms only. Like suppose there is 7x square y plus 8z minus 9 uv square. Like this. Look at here. There are the three terms. First term, second term and third term. So the three terms are there named as trinomial. And I am interested in degree. So go in every terms. In the first term, variable part, power 2, power 1, 2 plus 1, 3. Second term, variable part, z, 1, degree 1. Third term, variable part 1, 1 and 2, that is 2 plus 1 plus 1, 4. So in each term having a degree 3, 1 and 4, so which term is the highest degree? That is 4. And the 4 is called the degree of the whole trinomial. So we will not talk about 3 and 1, we will talk about 4. So what is the degree of this trinomial? That is called 4. And in a similar manner, we can say it's not possible to write the every names. So in general, we can say polynomial. Polynomial. So what is the polynomial? Polynomial is the monomial or more than monomials. Means monomial or more than two terms. Means the one term monomial, two terms binomial, three terms trinomial, more than three terms, then also it is called altogether polynomial. It's a general name. So 7x is also polynomial. 7x plus 5y is also polynomial. 7x plus 5y plus 6z is also polynomial, and uv also added, 4 terms are also called polynomial. But be careful, every time you have to think the variable must be containing the whole number. Power is whole number. Power should be the whole number, otherwise it is not a polynomial. For example, if I will say here 7x square plus 3z to the power minus 7, and I am asking, is it a polynomial? No, because in the first term, variable part is having a positive power, but in the second term, variable part is having a negative power. And I told the power should be always the whole number, and this is minus 7, so this is not called polynomial, right? And same way, suppose I am writing here 3q plus 5 by p. Is it a polynomial? Here is no problem because q is having the power plus whole number. But 5 upon p, there is a denominator, and when you write in the numerator, it will be look like 5p to the power minus 1. As you know, like something whatever is in the denominator, when you go up, having a negative power. And suppose you are not getting understand over here, I will tell you in that chapter, but you think here only that whatever the variable is coming in the denominator, then there is no polynomial. And if I will write here like this way, 3x square plus 7x plus 5 y to the power half. No problem here, power is 2 whole number, power is 1 whole number, but power is half is not a whole number, half is a fraction. So that is why this is not a polynomial. So polynomial you have to judge, is it a polynomial or not? So you have to go for, in all the powers must be variable contains positive exponent or the whole number. Exponent means power, whole numbers. So this way we are getting understand the meaning of polynomial. So suppose here is written 3x square plus 7x cube plus 8x, like this way. So I am seeing here the variable is only letter variable is used x only, x everywhere, and I want to write in the standard form, means it is not written in the standard form. It means why? Because whenever the one variable is used, you will always try to write the highest degree to the lowest degree. In this part, in the variable part having a power 3 is the highest one, I will write it first along with the sign plus. No need to write plus, it is understood. Then after lower order, that is plus here plus 3x square, and then after plus 8x. This is the standard form. And suppose the one polynomial is written like this way, 7x square y plus 8xy to the power 2 plus 8xyz. See, the variables 2, maximum 3 variables are used. So there is no scope to write in the standard form. So here no need to write. Whatever is written, leave as it is. But in this case, I am having a chance to write in a standard form. Why? Because the variable is only one, that is x. And suppose I want to ask you, is it having a degree highest 3? So I said yes. 3 is the called degree of the polynomial. What about here in this? What is the degree of this polynomial? So we will say, so 2 plus 1 3, 2 plus 1 3, 1 plus 1 plus 1 3, and every term having a equal power exponent, that is 3. So the highest degree is 3 only. So there is the degree 3. So we have discussed about the types of the algebraic expression, that is monomial, binomial, trinomial. More than that also the terms in general we can say it is a polynomial. But whenever you are talking about the polynomial, so be careful, the power must be variable parts having a power. Variable parts should have a power, must be the whole number. Otherwise, this is not a polynomial. And in the next section, we will do the few sums based on that. And then after, bye.